So, ka-team siya nung bridesmaid namin, si Jen. So, pinakilala niya siya sa akin. Sabi si Luis, tas Dre. Tas sabi, oh, kapangalan mo yung anak ko, Dre. So, sabi ko, tas yun nga, tas name niya, Luis. Tas sakto yung anak niya, Louis Andre.
Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you.
Walang ligaw-ligaw. Hindi, kasi friends na kami, tapos parang we became close, yun lang.
Shall I stay? Would it be a sin if I can't help falling in love with you?
Walang ligaw-ligaw eh. Paspasan yan eh. Yung parang, sabi ko, tayo na. Sabi ko, pananagutan kita. Sabi ko, pumayag naman. So, dun, the rest is history. Yeah.
Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. So take my hand.
Pasalamat. Kasi never din siyang sumuko sa amin mag-ina. Especially sa akin. Tapos, lagi siyang nandyan. Hindi niya kami iniwan. Tsaka, ano pa ba? Lagi kong sinasabi rin sa kanya na blessing siya sa amin mag-ina.
Take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with you.
Ang ipagpapasalamat ko is, yun nga, parang I've been a different person dahil sa kanya. Kumbaga, naging mas responsible ako. Kasi medyo stubborn. Hindi lang medyo, stubborn talaga ako. And ang hihingi ko ng tawad is yung shortcomings ko. Tamad kasi talaga ako. So, kung hindi lang din talaga sa motivation niya, talagang unahin ko tulog. So, ngayon, yun, hanggat maaari, hanggat kaya kong gising para sa kanya, pipilitin ko.
Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be.
Huwag kang mag-alala, maligalig pa rin ako. Hindi. Yun na, I will still stay with you. I will love you. In sickness and in health, through thick and thin, better or worse, forever until the end of time.
Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be.
I'll love her hanggat kaya ko, and I'll be the person that she deserves. And aside from that, yun nga, hanggat maaari, hindi ko siya bibiguin kasi lagi siyang nagagalit sa akin kasi pasaway ako. So yun, gagawin kong magbago, pipilitin kong magbago para sa kanya.
So take my hand, take my whole life too, for I can't help falling in love with.
Sana maging mabait sila sa akin. Tapos, sana magstay lang kami together forever.
For